It's your boy, Bad Boy! And we're going to do a little behind the scene action of a pregnancy maternity shoot that we're going to do today. I got my sister. We on Arts and Crafts in DYB3. I got my brother. What up? Dream in the team. And we got my crazy cousin holding the camera for y'all.
I can't even flip it. What's up?
What's up? There she go. And then the person or the in charge.
Show Billy Joe.
Mama!
It's the baby mama. It's your baby mama.
Yeah.
And we just gonna give y'all some behind the scene action, so follow along. What's up? Yeah, we back again. Now we doing some DIYs because we going for like a Mother Nature maternity photo shoot. So we are customizing some underwear to make pretty flowers to glue them around, to glue them on and attach them because we couldn't find a skirt or anything like that. So why not get you some dollar flowers from the Dollar Tree, glue them to some old panties that you don't like. We're gonna show y'all the final product. So we are still getting the outfit custom created, or DIY as you would say. We are hot gluing the flowers to the panties. And they are coming out cute. Y'all will see more. Stay tuned. So now that we got everything done, hair, makeup, outfit, it's like, now she want to eat. Like, come on now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. And we trying to get done. This is the scene for the photo shoot. Flowers and vines. We getting everything set up. We about to get it done. It's 1 a.m. in the morning, and we sleepy, but magic takes time. Now she got us all wearing flower crowns. Like what? Like she won't. Everybody got on a flower crown.
Look.
It's her photo shoot. What is we wearing a crown?
Fuck do we have on a flower crown?
Wow. And we still haven't started the photo shoot. That's the sad part. I need sleep. I'm sleepy. Yeah, now we still behind the scenes, y'all. This is the look after coming together. That's what we did for DIY. We got the background getting ready. Everybody getting together. So now we finna just start. We finna just start going. Hopefully the photo shoot start. We waiting on her to get into position. We need you there, ma'am. Yeah, get in position. Makeup by me, outfit by my sister, hair by her, hair by the mother.
Hair by me, the stylist. Take care.
If you want to see any of the pictures or anything else, let me know and I'll have those posted for you, of course.